Hello, you are welcome back to this channel. This is our first lesson, which is law of indices. So we want to see basic laws of indices, which indices is nothing but raised suffix indicating the power to indicate the power of unknown or a known variable. First four laws of indices. We are taking first four laws of indices. So as you can see, we have number one, a multiplication law, which is x raised to power n multiplied by x raised to power m, which is equal to x raised to power n plus m. Number two is division law, which is x raised to power n divided by x raised to power n is equal to x raised to power n minus m. So once you see such a root are the same, x and x, then we are going to look at which operation is between them. If it is multiplication, so we are going to add the power, and if it is division, so the power is going to be negated, means we are going to subtract the power. As you can see, what you are supposed to be focused on is that these two roots must be the same, x and x, or y and y, m and m. So if the power x times x are the same, so we are going to add the power, and if the power are not the same, so you cannot be able to add the power. Either they have a coefficient, you are going to multiply with them. So next we have number 3, 0 power law, and every variable raised to the power of 0 is 1. We are going to see a complete examples in the next explanation. So these are the rules or laws of indices. So number 4 is power of power law. This is the power that has a power x raised to power n, all raised to power m. X has a raised to power n and all of them has raised to power m. So if we have this situation, we are going to multiply the power in this situation. So it is going to be x raised to power n times m. So that is rule number 4. So now we are going to take some examples and see. Number 1, a raised to power 2 multiplied by a raised to power 3 is equal to a raised to power 2 plus 3, which is equal to a raised to power 5. We already add the powers, so we just take note that a square is equal to a times a. Also a raised to power 3 is equal to a times a times a. We are taking note of that. Therefore we must have a and a, so that we are going to add the power. Once these roots are not the same, we cannot add the power. Must take note of that, because you are supposed to be conscious about that. So number 2, we have 4 raised to power 5 multiplied by 4 raised to power 3, so is equal to 4 raised to power 5 plus 3. 4 and 4 are the same, therefore it's going to be 4 raised to power 8. So as you can see, we have 4 and 4. So when we multiply them, we are going to select only one and add their power, which is 5 plus 3 and is equal to 4 raised to power 8. That is how we are going to do it. This one is a number, and once the roots are the same, we can apply the rule. Then number 3, 2x raised to power 3 multiplied by 3x raised to power 4. This one has a coefficient 2 and 3. Therefore 2x raised to power 3 multiplied by 2x raised to power 4. We are going to multiply 2 and 3, which is 6. Then this x and this x, we are going to add their power, which is 6x raised to power of 3 plus 4, which is equal to 6x raised to power 7. We can only multiply the coefficient and then add the power. As you can see, 6 is equal to 6x raised to power 7 exactly. Take a look into this new examples, more examples. So all the roots are the same: c times c, d times d, b times b, and m times m. So these are exercises, you can go and try it. Practice always make perfect. No practice, no perfect in your works. So make sure you have been practicing drilling so that you can master it well. If you master it, we can be able to move to the next one so that you cannot be confused while solving some questions. So if you practice this one, so you can go ahead and take another examples with the other indices. So I think this is going to be the end for this lesson of today. So we are going to meet you tomorrow by the grace of God, so that we can be able to continue. So you can like and comment, share for others to be benefited. Thank you, and see you soon. See you in my next video. Thank you so much.